My Jesus and loving, I know now what's mine. Forgive all my failings, of sin I resign. Precious Redeemer, my Savior, I come. If ever I love thee, my Jesus
inviting us here. Pastor and Mrs. Cabahog, we would like also to thank Kuya Julie and Sir Rujungan for the sound system. Thank you also for Mom Goldie and staff for the food, very nice food. We would like also to thank Kuya Sam for i-drive niya sila na di ay bilhin naman the drive ni Kuya Sam from Iligan Cebu City. We would like also to thank our sponsor. We'd like to introduce our sponsor, Miss Crescent May Amarillo. She's a nurse she's a staff nurse in Mindanao Sanitarium Hospital. Available. Single available. I would like not to stand. Also, we would like to thank, we have sponsors na walang nakuyog na mo diri, Mr. and Mrs. Demol, and Miss La Chica and Dr. Zamora. But I think Dr. Zamora is coming. Others? Laverne. We'd like to thank also Laverne for the technicals, also Edson, Nudalo, Ate Carol, Hugs, and most especially we would like to thank you for coming and for listening with our music, and hopefully you are blessed with our songs this afternoon. And before we might sing our last song, we'd like to introduce ourselves first. So, start with our pianist.
Hi everybody, good afternoon. Hi, I'm Miss Light Riento. I'm the daughter of the pastor, Mrs. Rose Riento. Welcome to space. Very good, thankful. Cebu City. I'm a third year nursing student, and in this group, I play the piano and sing out there.
Magapon. Sama. Saya si Salimar Buzo from Mantikau, Bison, San Jose, and medtech student, second year from 20 years old. So, I sing tenor. Happy Sabbath mga kainsunan! Happy Sabbath! Happy pa lang, wala ko gusto sa deserve na pagkaon gagawin na. Happy Sabbath! Kulang dyan. So sige lang, balik pa lang tumulong na. By the way, I am Randy Valentan from Cagayan City. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Recently lang, last March. And presently, I'm reviewing for the board and kung kapag sa pangampo sa mga kansyon ng kapasarmi na nakagraduate na in the group to become a successful registered nurse. And in the group, I sing tenor. Happy Sabbath, mga kaisunan! Breakfast.
Hello everyone, ako si Ivy Jane Balanay. Ikan ko sa Dipolog. Dahil first year student ako sa Sanitarium Medtech. Dahil 16 years old, I sing soprano.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Novi Cancho. Ikan ko sa Slick City Circle del Sur. Fourth year student sa Sanitarium, second courser. And the group I sing baritone.
Mayong hapon mga kaigsunan, o mayong adlaw ng pagpahulay. Today is Lady Day ng Payaw from Tangko, Bugsan, Misgi. Okay, I'm already graduated last March from Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Parehab yan ni Randy. And in this group, I sing soprano.
Good afternoon, happy Sabbath. I'm Sherry Butchida from Kidapawan City. And in the group, I sing soprano. I already graduated from me. And wala pa.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Peter Lloyd Antonero Lamar from Bigos City. So it's so far. I actually went to Ligan to join this group. I actually went to Ligan to pursue my studies in nursing. Good to know that I'm already graduating this March. So in the group, I sing baritone.
I'm Novi Hyacinth Castillo. I group, I sing Good and Happy Sabbath. I'm Larsel Ibanez Camus from Cebu City. I'm third year high school. BSN, and then in the group, I sing second soprano and first.
I'm Sigmund from Pagadian City. I'm 19 years old and I'm still studying at Mindanao Sanitary Hospital College. Third year po.